The floors are cement and cold and seem to stretch endlessly into the distance. Vividly seeing things sticking out from the pile that you are familiar with. You see your cars and bicycles all covered with clothing items or furniture stacked high on top of one another. You can't see the center of this pile, but you know what's in the very middle is very familiar to you. Really notice how big this mound of materials is. How high does it go? How big around is the pile? Perhaps you only have a few things that don't stack above your height. Or you could have a pile that you have to look up to in order to see the top, and it is bigger around than a house. See everything in this pile, including soaps and cleaning supplies you use. See artwork you love, but see it piled in a messy way, as if someone created this stack of your stuff without a care in the world. Whoever made this pile doesn't put the value on these things that you do. Now, imagine at the very center of this mound, there is something that you need to let go of. So start digging into this pile and moving aside all of your things. See yourself moving furniture and clothes and all of your personal belongings aside. It takes a lot of effort to move all this stuff you have collected, and you are doing this all alone. Things become heavier as you move them, but you are determined to get to the center. You are determined to find out what it is you have covered up with so many other things, making it so difficult to get to.